Today I'll find out who's honest in my company. I'll give the plant here a place and put this money here, and I'll even make a video of them.
Master, you called me. Master, where are you? Someone has buried this plant here. Get out of here. Plants, oh my god, so much money. Let's take some of it. Anyway, the owner isn't here. I'll go shopping with this money. Today, I've hit the jackpot.
Rinky turned out to be insincere.
Master, you called me. I have a lot of work. Master, where are you? Who dropped this plant? Get out of here. Plants, so much money. I'll take some of it. How will anyone know? The owner isn't here. Today, I'll party with my friends.
Rohit also turned out to be insincere.
Master, did you call me? Master, where are you? Who dropped this plant? Come, let me fix it. There's so much money here. If someone wants to pick it up, let's quickly call the owner.
Kushi, you don't need to go anywhere. I was checking who's honest in my company. Rinky and Rohit turned out to be insincere, but you turned out to be honest. But seeing the honesty you've shown, Kushi, no one will like or subscribe to your video.